Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Vrchat and your platform client are updated and restart them. Once done, reboot your router and switch to wired Ethernet for a stable baseline. Next, disable any VPNs, proxies, or third-party firewalls that can block UDP or NAT traversal. You're doing these first because they eliminate common external causes quickly. After these steps, you'll test a connection attempt to see if the timeout persists before moving into deeper fixes. Now you dig into network configuration. Assign your machine a static IP to keep port mappings consistent and enable UPnP on the router or manually forward the UDP port's Vrchat uses. Once you've applied port rules, flush the DNS cache and renew the IP on your device to remove stale routes. Make sure to test both in world and via the friend join feature after changes. These steps address middle layer issues like NAT types and routing that commonly cause timeouts. Finally, verify whether the problem is local or external by testing Vrchat on a different network such as a mobile hotspot. If it works there, you likely have an ISP or router configuration issue. Make sure server status and region settings are correct in Vrchat and try switching regions. If timeouts persist, collect client logs and exact timestamps, then contact Vrchat support. A key troubleshooting tip: if you see repeated NAT type changes, power cycle your router and modem for at least 60 seconds before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.